Do you ever feel tired, bloated, or foggy-headed for seemingly no reason? You're not alone. Millions suffer from an often overlooked condition, yeast overgrowth. This silent epidemic can wreak havoc on your health, affecting everything from your gut to your brain. Yeast is a type of fungus that naturally resides in your body. In small amounts, it's harmless and even beneficial. However, when yeast multiplies excessively, it can lead to a condition known as yeast overgrowth or candidiasis. The most common type of yeast associated with overgrowth is Candida albicans. It thrives in warm, moist environments, making your gut, mouth, and genital area prime targets. Factors increasing your risk include a weakened immune system, antibiotic use, high-sugar diets, and hormonal imbalances. By understanding the causes, symptoms, and natural remedies for yeast overgrowth, you can reclaim your health and vitality. Yeast overgrowth is not simply an inconvenience, it's a sign that your body is out of balance. When Candida albicans proliferate uncontrollably, they release toxins that can permeate your bloodstream and impact various systems in your body. The symptoms of yeast overgrowth can be diverse and often mimic other conditions, making it crucial to consult with a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. Some common signs include digestive issues like bloating, gas, and constipation or diarrhea. Skin problems, such as rashes, eczema, or fungal infections, are also common. Brain fog, fatigue, and mood swings are frequently reported by individuals dealing with yeast overgrowth. Recognizing the signs and understanding the potential consequences of yeast overgrowth is the first step towards reclaiming your health. By addressing the root causes and implementing effective treatment strategies, you can restore balance to your body and regain control over your well-being. Yeast overgrowth is rarely a spontaneous occurrence. It's typically triggered by a combination of factors that disrupt your body's natural balance and create an environment conducive to yeast proliferation. One of the most significant contributors to yeast overgrowth is diet. A diet high in refined carbohydrates, sugars, and processed foods provides the perfect fuel for yeast to thrive. Another major culprit is antibiotic use. While antibiotics are essential for fighting bacterial infections, they can also wipe out beneficial bacteria in your gut, creating an imbalance that allows yeast to flourish. Hormonal imbalances, particularly those involving estrogen, can also contribute to yeast overgrowth. Stress, lack of sleep, and chronic illnesses can further weaken the immune system, making you more susceptible to yeast overgrowth. Understanding these triggers is key to preventing and treating this common condition. Yeast overgrowth can manifest in a myriad of ways, making it a master of disguise in the body. Digestive issues are among the most prevalent symptoms of yeast overgrowth. You may experience bloating, gas, constipation, or diarrhea. Skin problems are another common indication of yeast overgrowth. Rashes, eczema, itching, and fungal infections like athlete's foot or nail fungus can all be signs that your body is struggling to keep yeast in check. Beyond the gut and skin, yeast overgrowth can also impact your energy levels, mood, and cognitive function. Fatigue, brain fog, difficulty concentrating, and mood swings are frequently reported by individuals dealing with this condition. These symptoms highlight the systemic effects of yeast overgrowth, extending its reach beyond the digestive system. Being aware of the common telltale signs is crucial for early detection and effective treatment. Starve the yeast, nourish your body. Diet plays a pivotal role in combating yeast overgrowth. Adopt an anti-Candida diet to deprive yeast of its fuel. Sugar is public enemy number one. Refined sugars and processed foods promote Candida growth. Focus on complex carbs like vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. Healthy fats help combat yeast overgrowth. Lifestyle changes. Creating an environment for healing. While diet plays a crucial role in addressing yeast overgrowth, lifestyle modifications are equally important in creating an environment that supports healing and prevents recurrence. Stress management is paramount. Chronic stress weakens the immune system, making you more susceptible to infections, including yeast overgrowth. Engage in stress-reducing activities like yoga, meditation, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature. Prioritizing sleep is also crucial, as adequate rest allows your body to repair and regenerate, strengthening its defenses against yeast overgrowth. Maintaining proper hygiene is essential, especially in areas prone to yeast overgrowth, such as the mouth and genital area. Keep these areas clean and dry to prevent the proliferation of yeast. Choose natural, breathable fabrics for clothing, and avoid tight-fitting garments that can trap moisture and create an ideal environment for yeast growth. The power of probiotics, restoring microbial harmony. Probiotics play a vital role in maintaining a healthy balance of microorganisms in your body. When yeast overgrowth occurs, this balance is disrupted, leading to health issues. Probiotics can help restore this balance, acting as powerful allies. They outcompete harmful microorganisms for space and resources. They strengthen the gut barrier, preventing systemic infections. Additionally, probiotics support a healthy immune response. Natural antifungals, nature's arsenal against yeast overgrowth. For centuries, humans have relied on the healing power of nature to combat various ailments, including yeast overgrowth. Natural antifungals derived from plants and other natural sources offer a gentle yet effective approach to combating Candida overgrowth without the potential side effects associated with conventional antifungal medications. One such potent antifungal is caprylic acid, a fatty acid found in coconut oil. Caprylic acid has been shown to disrupt the cell walls of Candida albicans, inhibiting its growth and reducing the severity of yeast infections. Garlic is another culinary staple with potent antifungal properties. It contains a compound called allicin, which has been shown to inhibit the growth of Candida albicans. Oregano oil, extracted from the oregano herb, is another powerful antifungal agent. It contains carvacrol and thymol, compounds that have been shown to effectively combat Candida albicans. The path to recovery. A holistic approach to yeast overgrowth. Successfully addressing yeast overgrowth requires a multifaceted approach that addresses both the symptoms and the underlying causes. Begin by eliminating the foods that feed yeast overgrowth, such as sugar, refined carbohydrates, and processed foods. Focus on incorporating whole, unprocessed foods, including plenty of vegetables, lean protein, and healthy fats. Incorporate probiotic-rich foods or supplements into your daily routine to restore a healthy balance of bacteria in your gut. Consider incorporating natural antifungal agents like caprylic acid, garlic, and oregano oil to further combat the overgrowth and support your body's healing process. Manage stress through relaxation techniques like yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. Prioritize sleep to allow your body ample time to repair and regenerate. Addressing these lifestyle factors will strengthen your immune system and make you less susceptible to yeast overgrowth. Take control of your health. A call to action. Yeast overgrowth is a common yet often overlooked health concern that can significantly impact your well-being. By understanding the causes, recognizing the symptoms, and implementing effective strategies, you can regain control of your health and prevent future occurrences. Embrace the power of a holistic approach, combining dietary modifications, lifestyle changes, and natural remedies to restore balance to your body and thrive. Don't let yeast overgrowth dictate your life. Take charge of your health today by making informed choices that support a balanced gut microbiome and a resilient immune system. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand about yeast overgrowth, the better equipped you'll be to prevent and address it effectively. Consult with a healthcare professional to develop a personalized plan that addresses your specific needs and concerns.